In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform with Google Sheets step by step. This process is straightforward and can be incredibly useful for automating the organization of your survey or form data directly into a Google Sheets spreadsheet. With these steps, you'll be seamlessly sending form responses to a spreadsheet in no time, saving you both time and effort in managing your information. First things first, you'll need to log into your Typeform account. Once you've done this, open the specific form that you want to connect to Google Sheets. Now look for the Connect option at the top menu of your Typeform dashboard. This is where various integration options are located, including the one we need today. After you click Connect, a list of integrations will appear. Scroll through this list until you find Google Sheets. Click on it to select it. The next step involves connecting your Google account with Typeform, allowing the two platforms to communicate. Click Connect again and then sign in with your Google account details. It's important here to grant Typeform any necessary permissions it requests. This will typically involve allowing it to view, manage your data, and create spreadsheets on your behalf, all vital for the integration to function correctly. Don't worry, these permissions are standard and secure. Following this, you'll have a couple of choices to make. You can opt to create a new spreadsheet, in which case, Typeform will automatically generate one for you based on the data fields in your form. Alternatively, if you have a pre-existing Google spreadsheet that you want to add the form responses to, you can select Use an existing spreadsheet. All your Google Drive files will be visible, so just pick one from the list. To ensure your data is well organized, you need to decide on which worksheet or tab within your spreadsheet the responses should land. This is particularly useful if your spreadsheet is used for multiple forms or types of data. Once you've made your selections, the final step is to hit Save and Activate. By doing so, you're launching the integration, and Typeform will start transferring form responses to the chosen spreadsheet automatically. That's it! You are all set up with a dynamic connection between Typeform and Google Sheets, streamlining your data collection process. This setup will ensure you always have up-to-date information right at your fingertips, neatly organized in Google Sheets. Remember, anytime you want to make adjustments or disconnect the integration, you can return to the integration settings in your Typeform dashboard. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial has simplified your workflow.